Hello, dear kids. So, here comes our next presentation on our chapter Neha's Alarm Clock of your subject English, Class 4th. Book is Marigold and it is presented by Mrs. Shitu Kheda. Topics that are covered in this presentation are recapitulation of the story, NCERT based questions, which includes reading is fun, let's write, let's talk. Let's move forward. I want to ask a few questions to you children. When do you sleep? You sleep at night. That is the time to take rest. Morning is the time to get up. We do our various tasks in morning. Night is the time to take rest. So we sleep during night. And when do you wake up? You wake up in morning when the sun rises. So now kids, tell me, what wakes you up? Is it the chirping of birds? Or the cock-a-doodle-doo sound made by the chicks? Or your mother wakes you up? Or is it your alarm clock? Children, what wakes you up? Dear children, do you remember what woke Neha up in the story Neha's Alarm Clock? Do you remember? Was it the alarm clock that woke Neha up? Or was it the chirping birds that woke her up? Chee chee. Or was it's Neha's pet that woke her up? But children, she was not having a pet. Do you know a pet also wake up its master? Or was it the shining sun that woke Neha up? To know it all, let's revise the story Neha's Alarm Clock again. One day, the clock rang up at 6 a.m. to wake up Neha. But she was not willing to get up in the morning. Next day, the alarm clock fell down from the table. Even then, the chirping birds came to wake Neha up. She said, "Why am I being disturbed by these things?" Next day, the shining sun came to wake up Neha. She muttered a few words and got ready for school. The very next morning, no one came to wake her up, but this time her mother came to wake her up and get ready for school. She again got angry that why could not she sleep more? Next morning, something strange happened. Neha woke up on her own and she asked her mother, "Who woke her up today?" Her mother told her that she is having a clock inside her body that has woken her up. So, children, do you know there is a clock inside our body that tells us when to wake up, when to sleep, and when to eat? When we feel hungry, our inside clock tells us about our hunger. When we feel sleepy, it reminds us to go to bed. Same way, it tells us to wake up at right time in morning. We must accomplish our routine work at their proper time. This inside clock is very helpful to remind us to complete our routine work in time. We should take out time to study, to play, to eat healthy food, to exercise, and to help our elders. Children, one important thing that we must do in our daily lives is meditation. Meditation calms our mind and helps in concentration. Our body clock, which we talked about in this chapter, remains balanced with this help of meditation. Children, I am sure you have gone through this chapter carefully. Now let's try to attempt a few question answers from our textbook. First one is tick the correct answer. Question number 1. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? Children, think about it. It's very easy and I know you can remember it well. The options are 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Do it fast. Let's verify what you have done. Answer is 6 o'clock. So the complete answer is Neha's clock rang every morning at 6 o'clock. You have to write complete answer in your notebook. Next question. What did the birds say? The options are A. Sleep on, B. Wake up, C. Go and play. So choose the correct option and do it. Let's verify. The complete answer is the birds said wake up. So the B option B is correct. Wake up. The next question, what is inside you that makes you get up same time every day? The options are A. Our body clock, B. Our eyes, C. Our feet. Children, think what can be the correct option? It's very easy and I know you can do it. Let's check our answer. So the correct answer is our body clock. Remember children, why did Neha wake up when nobody woke her up? Yes, because her inside body clock makes her to do that. So the complete answer is our body clock makes us get up same time every day. My next question is put these letters in the right order. One has been done for you. For these parts, you can also take help of the given hints. A part is ILESM and the correct answer for part A is smile SMILE. B part is MRALA. Children, now tickle your mind and unjumble the following word on your own. Let me tell you a hint. This thing rings in the morning. What it can be? Part C. OCKLC. This actually shows you the time. Part D. NORMING. This is the time of the day when the sun rises. I hope you can guess it now. Part E. EDORNS. This is the sound what we make while we are sleeping. So what do we call this sound? Part F. WODWIN. Children, when we want to peep outside our homes, this helps us. So what it is? Now children, let's talk. If there is no clock in the house to wake you up in the morning, how will you wake up? We can have many answers to this question. It can be a family member who helps you to wake up. It can be a pet. It can be chirping birds. It can be bright sunlight that can wake you up. Or it can be your inside body clock which can help you to wake up. Or it can be your mother that wakes you up during morning. Next question. Listen to the sounds around you when you are on your way to school and list them. Children, we hear many sounds around us in a single moment. Can you close your eyes and guess a few sounds which you hear now? I am sure you must have heard various kinds of sounds. Now, when we go to our school, we hear sounds of many things. They are chirping birds, buzzing bees, noise of the traffic, or somebody's tapping feet. So now comes the let's write. So children, take out your notebooks and your pens. Write these questions in your notebook. Who said these words and to whom? A part. Wake up, dear, wake up fast. Can you guess who said these words? Okay, B part is Ma. Who woke me up today? C part is why do you sleep at 9 every night? So, who said these sentences and to whom? Just note down and let's verify in next slide. Let's verify. Our question is who said these words and to whom? First part is wake up dear, wake up fast. This line was said by the birds to Neha. Children, you remember after clock who came to wake up Neha? It is the birds. The birds said these lines to Neha. B part, Ma, who woke me up today? It is very obvious. Who is calling Ma? It is Neha, of course, saying this line to her mother. Third part is why do you sleep at 9 every night? This line was said by Neha's mother to make her understand about her inside clock. And whom does she said these lines to? It is to Neha. Now, at last, let's practice some meditation. This will balance your body clock, enhance your listening skills, and will soothe your mind. Children, sit straight wherever you are sitting. Be comfortable. आप जहाँ भी बैठे हैं वहाँ आराम से सीधे बैठ जाइए. Close your eyes and shift all your attention on breathing. आंखें बंद कीजिए और अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान दीजिए. Take slower and deeper breaths. धीरे धीरे सांस लीजिए. Take a deep breath from your nose and exhale it out. गहरी लंबी सांस लीजिए. If there is any tension in your mind, keep all those areas away. Try not to remember it. Rest and relax. Try to think about that thing or that person that makes you smile. Breathe in and out. You can smile. Now continue doing it. Breathe in and out. Pay thanks to your God, your parents, for all what you have now. Gently open your eyes and enjoy your day. I hope you must have done the question answers and enjoyed this presentation. Take care, dear children. Thank you.